Volume calculation. Volume can be calculated without pre-processing. Prepare or roughly delineate the stockpile boundary in advance. Click the volume module to enter volume calculation. Select the point cloud data to be used for calculation. Set the calculation area. Supports manual parameter adjustment to meet different requirements. Click Preview to calculate volume. Quickly complete volume calculation. View volume calculation results. Supports exporting standard volume calculation reports. Calculation accuracy can reach up to 99.5%. Enables efficient and accurate volume measurement.